meeting here, the second Burma meeting, that set the pace for where we are today. It's a deeply spiritual home for the entire peace process. And so I want to acknowledge President Tarama and your own leadership, as well as your team from Bougainville. I have with me Chairman of the Bipartisan Parliamentary Committee of Bougainville, the Honorable Dr. Alan Marak, who himself is an eminent Papua New Guinean son in the field of law, as well as being a member of Parliament, State Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, since 2002. So he's here with us in Governor Mutuwa. We also have ministers headed by Minister Bougainville, Honorable Manasseh Makipa, as well as Minister Ninigi, Minister of National Attorney General, Minister Matthew, and others who are coming in tomorrow. Chief Secretary and Director Wemin, High Commissioner to New Zealand, His Excellency Mr. Tomo, and the team here. The fact that I'm here tonight is an indication to the seriousness my own government plays in this one. President, Vice President, I see seniors like Mr. Tanis and others who are still here. Just want to appreciate all your continued work in this space. I remind the country that there is no serious task before us than to ensure we give a fair resolution to the Bougainville peace process. And so I'm happy to be here for the first time. My brother President has been here twice already. This is the third time. And so I would allow him to make introductory remarks and connect right through with his presentations, and I will do a wrap-up. And I will tell you all for a long time, I do apologize for a slow start. I had to dispense my obligations to keeping of Sabbath. So I do apologize for holding some of you, but I know you all understand. In the heart of this conversation must be the rule of God's will in what presides and what takes place. So putting God first. Those who are going to church tomorrow, please do so. And as we go through this, I encourage the Secretary continues to point us back to God, always leads a conversation both in private and combined in this manner. We can't hold you all. I think I've been advised that today is a day in which one of the many fathers of the peace agreement, on the Bougainville side, there can be no greater than late Joseph Kabui. I've been advised that this is possibly his day of passing. Coincided that this meeting is taking place at the day of his passing, where he was a giant of his time, where he led very well to construct the peace agreement here today. So before President does say his remarks,